This is our Himalayan 450, now at about 9,600 kilometers, and it's due for oil change. So I'm just going to have this bike do the uh, oil change today. So let's get started. To start with, we have to open these two drain bolts. So the bike is now warmed up. Now I can start removing these two drain bolts. They are size 17. So to access that, if you have your bash plate, you need to remove. In my bike, I haven't put the bash plate, so I can easily open this up. This is a size 17, fairly easy to open, and then just rotate. So the first drain bolt is already open. Now we do the second one. Okay, the second one also open now. So if you look into the drain bolt hole, you will see there are two different filters, like a plastic filter in there, mesh filter, which you have to remove and clean. That's one. There is another one on the other drain hole also, so you have to remove both of them. Now we have to open this oil filter cover. For that we need an unusually big Allen wrench. This is size 14, and then we will open it up. Yeah, just like that. Okay, now we'll just wait for everything to be drained out completely before we fill up new oil. It's already drained, cleaned up. Time to put our new oil filter. For the oil filter cap, there is this O-ring which we need to replace. We will put a new one which comes with the oil filter kit. Okay, that's good. So now we have to remove these O-rings. We have to replace it. Also comes with the new oil filter kit. Okay, that's done. This is now ready to go into the engine. Also we will be replacing this O-ring. Then we will replace with the new one. Okay, so this is cleaned, O-ring is there. Now it's time to put this back. Now we will put this. Remember, we also changed the O-ring of this to avoid any leaks. Same thing with the other drain bolt. So we have already replaced the oil filter. We have drained the oil and then put the drain bolts back in. All we need to do now is to fill up fresh oil. So we have to use about 2.1 liters of oil. I'm using 10W40. Just start pouring. 2.1 liters. So we will be using 2 bottles and then another 100 ml from a new bottle. So that's the additional 100 ml after the first 2 liters of oil. So 2.1 liters of oil is already filled in. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, that's good. So that's it. We have done with the basic oil change procedure here. I still have some more things to do, like lubricating the chain, checking the brakes, etc. But the basic oil change procedure is just as simple as that. All right, thank you.